Break the ice. To initiate conversation in a social setting. Example: at the party, John told a joke to break the ice. A blessing in disguise. Something that seems bad at first but turns out good. Example: losing that job was a blessing in disguise. It led to a better opportunity. Beat around the bush. Avoid saying something directly. Example: stop beating around the bush and tell me the truth. Piece of cake. Something very easy. Example: solving this puzzle is a piece of cake for her. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. Example: he spilled the beans about the surprise party. Burn the midnight oil. Work late into the night. Example: I burned the midnight oil to finish the project. Under the weather. Feeling sick. Example: she's feeling under the weather today and stayed home. Hit the nail on the head. To describe exactly what is wrong. Example: her suggestion hit the nail on the head. In the nick of time. Just in time. Example: they reached the station in the nick of time. Kill two birds with one stone. Accomplish two things at once. Example: by reading the book, he learned English and gained knowledge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.